Hi everyone, it's Robbie the Home Inspector at 606 Ambush Ridge. So, doing a home inspection. I think there might be a gas leak at the tankless water heater, so let's find out. Got the gas detector, gonna turn it on and let it self-calibrate in the open air so that we don't get it stuck. And once this thing is powered on, calibrated, we shall go see. This usually takes around 30 seconds or so. Let's get in there. Maybe start walking that way. There we go. So it's calibrated now. As you can see, I'm going to put it on high mode. And let's walk over and check it out. Yep, as soon as I went in the garage, got the faint smell of gas. So it got stronger as I walked over to the water heater. So, all right, let's see. Getting anything? Yep, right there. So, gas leak at that fitting. Alrighty. Cool. Well, I'm going to go ahead and let the proper people know and be good to go. Bye.